Welcome to ECTV Tries, where each week we mix in friends and challenges and hope it all goes well. I'm Layla.
And I'm Bailey. The one thing we sometimes do on Tries is we don't know the task at hand until the cameras start rolling.
However, we have been given a hint. This week's hint is, are you good or bad? So what do you think about that?
Makes me think of Santa.
Santa? Yeah? Good, bad, naughty, nice?
Yeah.
Stuff like that? I don't know what kind of challenge that would be with being good and bad. Maybe like, I don't know, trivia? Like, I don't know.
I have no idea.
I have no idea, but do you want to open up the task?
Okay.
I'm curious.
You will be thirsty. You two will be making, you better be thirsty. You two will be making smoothies. Not just any smoothies. Good and bad roulette to choose your ingredients.
Dude,
good luck.
The YouTube smoothie challenge is happening.
Now I know why Brooke did it.
Let's go. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Okay, so we're gonna get everything prepped. We will be back. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I'm scared.
A little nervous
It's
too.
okay.
A little nervous, but yeah, we'll be right back once we set up our task.
We're back.
Let's begin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some ingredients here for our little challenge, and we're gonna spin the spinner, and whatever it lands on, good, bad, that will determine what ingredients we add to each of our smoothies.
Yes, and we both get ice to help it blend. And so we're gonna take turns spinning. Do you wanna go first?
Sure. I'm a little nervous now. Okay, here we go.
Ooh, pretty rainbow.
Here we go. Is it good or bad? Yay! Okay. Good ingredients. Okay, first category is liquids. The good ingredient is milk.
Oh God.
That's exciting.
Thank you. Wait, so I get
to say that. So like the other person would get the, yeah, that makes sense.
Oh no.
Oh.
So I get the bad one. Yeah.
Hey, I'm sorry. Okay, your turn to spin.
Okay.
Okay.
I swear to God.
Well, I guess it's like
if I get all bad ones the whole time.
It's like good or good. Oh, so I get back. Okay, so we're a little even. We're even Stevens now.
So you get yogurt.
Okay.
Yogurt.
And then you get cottage.
Oh my
Yogurt
God,
and
cottage cheese.
You said grapes.
Well, that was just a joke.
I know, but
yeah, I mean, hey, it's all right. This is a lot of dairy.
Milk. You're not lactose intolerant.
No, I'll be fine. Right, guys?
Totally.
Okay. Spinning again. What does that say? Is that good, bad? Okay. One does well, one doesn't do well. Oh, really? Great. So I just wish that upon myself. But it's okay.
I'm sorry.
You didn't do it. I was the one that spun it.
You're gonna get.
Okay.
You get the pickles.
Okay.
There's pickles.
You get the pickles.
Okay, well, I do like pickles, but I am a little nervous about the combination.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Go for it. Go for it. I'm very nervous now.
You got the bad one.
Okay.
I'm good.
Well, it was due time now.
Ew. Okay, so yogurt, strawberries, tuna, banana.
Oh!
That's crazy. Hey.
My God.
No, that's it.
That's it.
I did not like
We
this.
can't undo. We can't redo. This is horrible.
I also obviously don't use everything. I've never made
Oh my
a smoothie before,
God.
so I can't say pretty much anything in the name of
That's a nice blender, I will say.
It's not mine.
No. ECTV blender. No,
Let me
I'm
get out of
just
the brain first. And then we can
okay.
Okay. Should I? You think I'll add the ice first? Okay, some more people.
God.
That's, oh.
You just don't think about
Should
it
I
too
just
much.
do this first? Get it out of the way? Well, I don't want to see it, but I have to.
Ooh. Yeah, when you open it, it's gonna be like, ooh.
Happy place. I can't even get
Do you
it.
need help with that?
It squirted.
Ew. Ew. Yuck. Sorry. Question. Do you like fish?
No.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, cause try to see
need help.
glass half full. I also don't like fish, so I'm relieved, but
It squirted out. Oh God.
No, I'm just kidding. That was fake. That was fake. Okay. There you
I
go.
can smell it.
Oh, I smelled
How
it.
much do I have to add? All of it?
No.
Are you for real?
Here, use your, if you want to use your, well, not a lot. Oh my god, the juice. It was just the juice. It's like a paste. It's like a paste.
Is that good?
No.
Can I see it, please?
Wow, look at
There's a little bit. You
look
can't
at
see
the
it, but
lights
it's in there.
here. I'm gonna distract myself.
You know what?
Oh my god. Hey,
You guys
know,
are not the
this
ones
is
drinking
all
something
you.
with tuna in it. Okay? Yeah, that's what happens when you do that.
Try to be hopeful for this. It's not I'm not a villain. Okay. Yeah, put in the rest of your, your fun stuff, your strawberries. In the control room. Oh,
Is this too big?
Probably blend.
I've never made a smoothie before, so.
It'll work.
Okay.
Maybe.
I want to put.
I'd say at least 3.
I'm gonna do 4.
Maybe it's
The fork is just.
Wait. Okay.
All right.
There's tuna on the strawberries now.
And what's the flavor for the? What's the
This
flavor for
is
that?
vanilla.
Oh, it's fun. That's like extra flavor to reduce the tuna in it. I hope. Perfect. It'll be great. When I was a kid, I used to have Yoplait all the time, so it's always good. It'll be like a creamy. Sorry, you know what? I don't know. Is this helping or is it like
No.
worse? Okay. Here you go.
Okay. I just see the separation and it's.
This is cute. Should be your souvenir, honestly.
Okay.
Well, I don't know. It's all part of the fun.
Okay.
Okay, you don't see the tuna, so that's good parts.
Okay.
Wait. It looks like a smoothie. It looks like a normal strawberry smoothie.
Oh god.
Right? Okay. Yeah. And then, okay, those plastic cups will be for your. I'm just worried about the smell. Well, I mean, we're all worried about the
Choosing
smell.
not to breathe it in.
Yeah. Yeah, just like go like this. There was this. Okay, not to change topics, but in Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated, there was this one episode where Shaggy and Scooby were like. There was this guy who was like, oh my god, like, how do you guys eat so much food? And they're like, it's easy, we just hold our breath and then they eat as much as they can.
Is this cup for Layla?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just do that and just hold your breath or hold your nose.
Don't drink it yet.
Yeah. Oh, okay, at the same time.
Oh.
Oh. Clean up on aisle 5. Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Can I see it?
You don't have to drink it, but you just pour it for the blender's sake. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay,
turn.
my turn. So again, I have a banana. I have pickles. I have milk,
I would do your ice cream.
and I have cottage cheese. I've never had cottage cheese before.
I would do your ice.
My
first.
ice and ice. I'll do like half.
Yeah. I like banana in certain things, but not by
Yeah.
itself.
Like it's, but it's okay because there are worse things on this table.
Okay.
Cottage cheese. Here we go.
I would do the milk last.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Smells like sour cream, honestly. Okay. I'm just gonna, yeah. This much. Should I keep going? It also looks like Dippin' Dots. So. For all the audio listeners, no, I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. Pickle time. See, okay. Okay. The show must go on. Ladies and germs. Here we go. How many pickles should I put in here? Put in
wouldn't do
here.
a
Put
lot.
in here. Four slices. Well, juice. Blink. Okay. Wait. Blink. I think. That's crazy. But like, whenever they have that event, here's the milk.
I was told that they, instead of doing like a ball during New Year's Eve, they drop a pickle.
I love that. Maybe I'll take a trip one day because I've heard crazy things. There's pickle pizza, there's pickle pretzels,
I love
pickle
good
lemonade.
Pickle on a stick. Delicious.
True. Chamoy pickles.
Wait,
Okay,
shake it.
I think this is, oh yeah, shake it.
Oh,
Sorry.
shake it a little bit.
It looks like milk. It's fine.
Where's this
Okay.
totally food? Normal.
Okay, here we go. Wait.
Yeah, and then
Bon
to the side.
voyage! Okay. You can see hints of green from the pickle. It's like a shamrock shake. Holy crap. All right. It's nice and cold though,
That's
so
not
that's
how I
okay.
would describe it.
It's yeah. I'm gonna pour first, then smell it. That's all.
Is it okay if I don't swallow this?
Okay. Should we cheers? Cheers! Woo! Just kidding. Okay. That's fine. Tastes like pickles. Oh, Bailey. And your water's right next to you, so. You don't really taste the banana. I'm not gonna lie. You really don't taste that banana. Maybe because I put half in there. One more. Like if I had, I don't know, if I had some chips, this literally just tastes like tzatziki, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, Ailey's gonna try some. She was here, if you remember like the baby food episode.
Yes, Ailey. Come in.
Get on
Thank you,
over
come in.
here.
Hi everyone, is that good? Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Ailey. I'm a sophomore here at E-Town College. I'm so passionate about trying new foods. Layla, can I try yours?
Yes, you can.
Here's the pickle concoction, as we lovingly call it.
Bottoms up. It's, in my opinion. I also didn't try yours.
It's definitely dill. I feel like there are like hints of turkey, if that makes sense. I'm getting like a
Oh,
turkey.
did not
note.
get that at all.
Not bad. It's a little watery. Okay.
It is watery. I
Now
think
we
it's
have the
from
tuna
milk.
concoction. Do you have your water in case I need to? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, and
Sharing is caring.
kind of matches my sweatshirt. I'm shaking. Can you see that? I'm shaking.
Let me know how it goes. Maybe I'll try it after you.
It tastes like strawberries, but it smells like tuna.
Okay.
Loki, wait.
Tastes
There's
different.
like protein in tuna, right?
That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
This
Your
is a good like.
protein intake.
You're going to the gym. You're like about to get those
Right.
gains. You're like, wait.
White Lotus. All right, I'm gonna try a little
I
bit.
think
Here's strawberry guy.
the smell is what
Yeah.
caused me
Oh,
to
this- oh, it's,
actually
bubbly.
try strawberry.
No.
It's, yeah. Hold on. But yeah, the smell, it smells like tuna. But it honestly just tastes like a strawberry smoothie that's been left over for like a day in your fridge. You're like, oh yeah, and then that's it.
The strawberries are good.
That's good. That's good.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Ailey. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. that about wraps it up
Yeah.
for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed. I'm Bailey.
I'm Layla. Thanks for watching ECTV Tries.
Bye.
Bye guys.